Hi. Boomer move. Ringtone off. Hi. Already a rose. Thank you. Hello, everybody. Feels good to be back. We haven't done this in a while. Hello. Thank you for the follow. Cheers to everybody. Happy Sunday. I burp. I actually picked a category today. I burp. I actually picked a category today. Art. The art of burping, okay? I know, right? It's like weasel piss in a can. I knew who did that because I can see who did that. Thank you for the follow. You betcha. Don't mess with crazy. Wow, everybody's here today. Hi. We'll be doing that, for sure. We'll be doing that. Lorenzo. Hi. Hi. Thank you. I'm growing it long. I'm growing my hair back, people. Growing it long. And it started to do this, like, wavy curl thing on its own. Like, I feel like my hair's always been straight, and now it's starting to do this, like, just kind of is, like, a little wavy here and there. Like, woke up like this. Hello. I'm in Virginia, everybody. I'm in the DC area. That's what I like to say, but I'm in Virginia. Thank you for the follow. Hi, we have a level 25 in here. I'm a level 25 too. Let's go. Sure. Sorry, I didn't mean to wiggle you guys around like that. Thanks. I'm just being me, okay? Thank you for every like and gift so far. You guys are great. No, I'm not answering any calls right now. Stop it. It's my first beer of the day. I know it's only like 1 o'clock, but sue me. Ooh, foot cramp. Help me. Dude, you have an iPad? It's dope. Never had one. It's like 10 seconds or something. It's on YouTube. Oh, hey, Mikey, what's good? What's the craziest thing I've ever done? I tell you, but I'd have to come find you and I've ever done. I tell you, but I'd have to come find you and I'm just kidding. There's too many, okay? Just too many. Can't narrow it down. You can't narrow down crazy. Manuel. I have a lot of names to burp. Why? Why are you asked that? That's such a weird question. I'm not gonna answer it, but why is my stream really bad? Does my camera suck? Does my sound really shitty? What's going on? What is it? What Android are you on? Can we answer that? Can you gulp air to burp? Can you gulp air to burp? No belly stuff, guys. That's on my only burps. We have fun over there, okay? Thank you. Oh, it's like burns going down. That's why I have to burp. Oh! Thanks. I'm glad. Kimmy Cola. Why do YouTube people drink everything diet? Yeah, it's Kimmy Cola. Burp Marcus, Burp Manuel, Burp Lorenzo. Manuel. That was a bad one, I'm sorry. You know, I've done your name a lot, Manuel and Marcus. Huh? Oh, hold the phone. I did not know that. Are you for real? No, I'm not. Hey, Road Warrior. Oh, thank you, buddy. Hey. Thank you. You know what this color is called? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fuck it up. It's so stupid. Um, Icelandic Iceland. Icelandic Iceland. Like, okay. Thank you so much for the sub. I really appreciate it. That is so dope. Thank you guys. Okay. I will answer it. Are you gonna. I don't drink anything.
So I don't know where you
Came up with that. If you're gonna drink soda, you might as well drink the real fucking thing and not the diet. I'm sorry. I was about to try to drink my beer, and it's not open yet. We love that. Another weasel piss, okay? Thank you. I will check those later. Thank you. I know, right? Like, what am I gonna do? Open it with my good looks? Like, crack that bitch open, right? Woo! Good one. Yeah. Um, we're not gonna talk about that. Thank you. Thank you. Just. That really would be monster shit. No, I'm not that white trash. Dude, I just learned something crazy today. That's crazy. YT. Dude, I always thought I was like, I mean, why? Huh? Oh, okay. Someone's playing a game. I don't. I don't do sessions or like lives or like calls or anything like that. But like if you shoot me over something simple, like a simple request, then like no problem. But all my stuff on there is free. Like just pay the sub fee and you can watch everything. Yeah, I can do that. Let's let me fix this a little. For that, we need sorry for my ratchet scaling. Why is my tongue so white? It's probably this light that's in front of me, or it's like this filter I have on. I don't know. Or the beer I'm drinking, or the. Now you got me paranoid. I need a new tongue. I don't give a fuck about my tongue. I don't give a fuck about my tongue. I don't give a fuck.
क्या हुआ What happened? What happened? Oh my God, what happened? Guys,
Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. You think so? Yeah. That's why I hung up on him. Toby, you missed the show. What's
me? Oh, hell.
like answering another call right now? Give me some time. Oh, stop it. You're beautiful. Thank you. I'm practicing. I was just goofing on somebody. Somebody called me and I burped on him. It's whatever. Hee burp girl. By the way, I crushed the Pocky chip, okay? Crushed it. Oh, yeah? Oh, let's go, Dipper. Let's go. Dipper's so good. Dipper and... Sorry, what's the other one? What's the other... I'm sorry. I forget her name or his name. Dipper and Dizzy. I was like, they sound so...
Think of it.
They're so beautiful. I love those, like, really pretty cats that have, like, the long, fancy hair and the beautiful patterns on them. They're so cool. Have I ever burped from the other end? That would be a fart. Hey, is it Carrie? Oh my god, Carrie Ann? Oh my god, I love you so much. I'm hopping over the pond, come see your ass, okay? So you just get ready. Message me anytime, girl. I love you. It must be late as fuck over there. What the fuck? You too, Toby girl. See you later. Oh my god. Everybody, wait. Carrie Ann's in the chat. I couldn't get it out, Carrie. I'm sorry. I failed you. Yeah, for sure. Sorry, guys. I told there's a demon inside me. That's why. That's why it sounded like that. You guys should know this by now. We just have fun here, guys. You know what I'm saying? That big belly. It's like I was made for this. Yes, I can. I just can't do big monster bursts on command. Exactly. Thank you, Carrie. Thank you for explaining it. For the guys in the back, you heard it. My white tongue. I have a bright ass white light in front of me, and then I have this rainbow light. Thank you everybody, thank you. When I answered a call last live, it was like this older gentleman, and every time I burped, he kept saying no, but it was like the only thing he was saying, and I didn't feel like talking to him, so I was just burping. And they wouldn't let me download it. I was gonna slap it on YouTube, because he's just like, no, and I'm like, okay, I'll do it again. I guess it was like, they didn't tell me why it was deleted or removed. They just said it violated terms and conditions. Fuck them. Steve-O, thank you for the follow. Steve-O, thank you for the follow. Steve-O, thank you for the follow. Sure. Carrie, do you ever go live? You guys are funny. Stop. Carrie, I love you. You said something about only burps, and I was like, oh my god, I'm totally gonna steal that saying, because like I don't know how to say it without getting banned. I'm like, oh, I'm stealing that. Only burps. Only Kimmy. That's a good one. Everybody hitting me up. Stop it. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, Carrie, can you do the inhale burp? I am on YouTube. YouTube Kimmy Cola. I'm on there. I got some badass shit over there. And I'm on Twitch. I stream for about an hour or two during the days. Exactly. They put you in jail. You're right. Thank you for all the roses. Oh, darn. See, my inhale burps aren't really that good. I just, when I feel like a monster burp coming, it just like builds up, and then I can just breathe in and manipulate it into a monster burp. I can't just inhale and produce a monster burp. That's my inhale burp. But I'm getting really good at making them long, my monster burps longer. I'm getting really good at that. It's like, by starting all of this on TikTok and Only Burps, I've gotten better at already being pretty good at it. It's really, like, I didn't think could get better. It's so funny. It's like I burp when I inhale. It's like a backwards burp. I was calling them backwards burps, but everyone's calling them rapid fire burps. And guys, okay, this is gonna blow your minds, okay? I was on the radio station burping for the whole DC area in the United States, okay? They're also on iHeartRadio. And I did a burp. I said the show's name, which is Elliot in the Morning. It's on this TikTok. It was a monster burp, and I burped out Elliot in the morning. So every year they change their intro. It's like a montage of just like a bunch of crazy stuff that they've said, and they're a really popular, well-known radio station. Every morning, Monday through Friday, at like 5:45 a.m., 6 a.m., I'm burping for the entire DC, Maryland, and Virginia area. My burp is on every morning, and it says, Elliot in the morning. And it's like right in the middle of all this, like, these crazy sayings that they've said. Every morning, these motherfuckers hear me burp. And I couldn't be happier. I'm just like, yes, I made the new Elliot in the Morning intro. And I'm burping. It's so funny. And I just like, oh my God, it's hilarious. Actually, they shared the clip on the internet. It's on their Instagram, I think. It's so cool. I was like, dang, I never, like, who would have thought this would have gotten me to that? That's crazy. Like, forget about it. Like, my ass on the radio burping for a whole DC. I'm such a piece of shit. Like, why am I on there? It's so funny. I mean, I wouldn't go that far. Let me break that world record and then we can go there. I know, it's so, and this radio station, they're like, how do I say it? They're kind of like, PG-13-ish, R-rated. They try as much as they can to like, and every now and then you get some people. And you guys are gonna love this. Somebody else called in. Her name is Joan the Moan. She's a popular burper. Somebody else called in. Her name is Joan the Moan. She's a popular burper on that radio station. She challenged me. She challenged me to a burp off on the fucking radio, dude. And I was like, no way. And I'm definitely gonna call in one day, and I have that that's posted on iHeartRadio too, and so is my entire segment with them. I had it's like almost a 30-minute session on the radio one morning while I was just burping my heart out. It was crazy. That was a sloppy one. I told you, Carrie, we'd be like best friends. They're in love. Cheers. Thank you, thank you. Love. Hit me up, girl, if you need anything. I'm here for you. Love you, girl. Have a good night. Love you a long time. That's funny. She's great. Love you a long time. That's funny. She's great. You guys know Carrie Ann? She burps and farts on here. She's great. She is not ashamed of shit. That girl is a badass, bro. Bye. Bye. Thanks for coming. Thanks for everything. Peace and love. That was a fancy one. It is Teddy Fresh. I have a lot of Teddy Fresh. What's up, Bee Monster? Are you the real Bee Monster? We all get confused now. You got that 16, so you gotta be for real. You gotta be the real Bee Monster. Dude, that's what's up. Yeah, bro, I'm a huge fan. Huge fan. I know it all. Oh, cool. I just got this shirt for Christmas. I have so much. I just ordered the rainbow necklace, the rainbow chain. I love it. Thank you. Hey, what's up? Thank you. No, I have not. What is that? I have not heard of that. Word. I don't join their TikTok lives. I actually don't even join many of their lives, but I want to start because they're gonna come back soon, and I just feel like it's a great time to jump right back into action, you know. I was a little behind on the videos, to be honest. No, I don't get hiccups from burping. Burp my name, whoever up first. Jaybird. Are you burping woman? Yes, I am. Big burp. Got you. I'm actually gonna stand up. I'm tired of sitting, so just give me some time here. And don't mind the mess in the background, because it's just a green screen. And a shitty ass ceiling. My unfinished basement. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know who wanted that outfit reveal, but nothing special. Nothing special. Ooh, Jaybird. Can you just tell me what's going on? Why do you follow me and then unfollow me? So confused. Somebody requested before me for you to burp his name. Aw, did I miss it? I had so many requests to burp name. It's a video game. Burp Jeremy. Got it. Okay. It's a video game. I play a lot of video games and I've never heard of that one. That's cool. I'm about to go play Call of Duty. Modern Warfare. You know? Or drive out of few drinks. I think that's an old school game, Dead Space. Oh, I hate myself. Oh, sweet. Okay, I promise I'll get to those names. I promise. Jeremy. Are you leaving me, Jeremy? I'm so sorry. Walking Dead. Walking Dead, the video game, because it sucked. They should make an MMO Walking Dead. I would play that. I would fucking play the shit out of that. I mean, I get it, DayZ, right? But no. Like, let's get a Walking Dead themed. I've played God of War, yes. I played God of War and God of War... No. Did I play the original? I think I played 2 and 3. I don't think I played the original. And I downloaded, not the newest one, but the one before that, with the little boy. Because this is free for PlayStation Plus members, and I just never played it. I just don't have time, and now that I'm like doing all of this, I'm just kind of, my focus is somewhere else. So the 2018 remake, was that when they did the triple, the 1, 2, and 3 bundle? I used to work at GameStop. Like years ago, not recently. Like 7 or 8 years ago, when the fucking Xbox One came out. Oh, okay. Jeremy. Shoe nice. Oh, I gotta chug my beer. A member came in. That's the rules. It feels so good. It hurts to hold it in. That's why I do this. I can't. I have no muscles. Sorry guys, members in the chat, all their requests come first before everybody else. I'm sorry. He may not stay for long though, so you guys are lucky. I was over here at my setup, but I had to stand up. I was getting tired of sitting there. The burps flow better when I can stand up. I need a finished basement with a bar and a pool table and a freaking one. I need a finished basement with a bar and a pool table and a freaking 1, 2, 3 TVs so I can watch my wrestling while I drink my beer. That's what I need, and play pool with my bitches whenever I fucking want. That's what I need. Yeah. My basement is not finished. Look, guys. It's like a dungeon down here, okay? that I turned into a studio. And then my sister turned into a studio. This is our studio now. Oh, I'm not in the garage. Sometimes I am. Bar. Pool table. Dartboard. Non-stop burps. Those are my dreams. And foosball. Headed out, Shoe? See ya. Yeah, I do. Everyone says that. Yes! Thank you! My sub. Thank you. Shoe Nice. Everybody go follow Shoe Nice, the legend, the goat, the boat. Why did you decide to start a TikTok doing this? Well, I didn't. I started a TikTok to film nature, like weird shit around my house. like a baby spider's nest, mushrooms, a tree falling when we had a really bad snowstorm, spider webs, these big ass spiders that live around my house. And then I went to a concert with my sister, and if you guys know my sister, Katie Burps. Okay, Shu, you can't just come in and out. I don't have another beer to chug. The hook. Hulk smash. I love Marvel. I went to a concert with my sister and I burped in her face. And I said, piss in my ass, bitch. And everyone loved it. And I said, piss in my ass, bitch. And everyone loved it. And now here we are. Do I like Hulk transforming? What the fuck? I like Hulk everything. I like it when he does everything. I like every version of Hulk. But I like Ragnarok Hulk the best. Is that better? No, that's not better. Shoe Nice. No, you're tripping. Should I restart? I could get like 100 people right now if I restart.